These are the spellings for Year 2 this week. The spelling rule is the sound spelt with an O. Other. Use the other door. Other. Mother. I love my mother. Mother. Nothing. There is nothing left to do on my list. Nothing. Monday. Monday is the day that we have PE. Monday. Oven. I can use the oven to bake a cake. Oven. Money. Do you have enough money for the book fair? Money. Comfort. I use my blanket to comfort me. Comfort. Worry. Don't worry about your spelling tests. Worry. Pence. Pence is the money they use in England. Pence. Pound. 100 pounds is a lot of money in England. Pound. Good luck, Year 2.